Mufasa, you know we finally here, right?
Well,
It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday.
Hello everyone and welcome to our Friday celebration assembly on a Thursday. So we're bringing this assembly to you on Thursday this week because Friday we are closing school to allow staff to prepare for Monday to make sure school is safe for all children returning on Monday the 8th of March. We cannot wait to have our whole Lee Forest community back in school. We've been waiting and waiting for this, and the time has eventually come upon us. So we cannot wait to have every single child back on Monday. We're really, really excited. It's been another busy week, so we'll find out who our stars of the week are this week, which is hopefully, fingers crossed, our last week of virtual learning. And then next week, when we return to school, on Wednesday, the 10th of March, we have stalled our World Book Day because we wanted to make sure that everyone was back in school for that. So next Wednesday, really looking forward to our World Book Day in school. We've got lots and lots planned. We've got fun activities. You can come in dressed as your favourite book character. I've already got my costume. We're also doing the masked reader. We've got fun activities to carry out, such as characters on loo rolls and characters on potatoes. But more will follow about that. But make sure you're all in school for Wednesday for World Book Day because we've got some fantastic things organised, and I can't wait to get started with those. Also, we have an attendance competition starting on Monday, and that's been posted on Class Dojo and Facebook too. Any child that attends school from Monday up until the Easter holiday with 100% attendance goes into our prize draw. And we've got lots and lots of prizes to give out. Again, there'll be more information to follow about that. But for now, let's go over to our teachers and staff to find out who our stars of the week are for this week.
Hi guys, I've got a very special award to give out this week. And this certificate is for all of our parents at home. You are remarkable, and we could not have achieved all the things that we've achieved without your help at home and all the work and dedication that you have put in to help all of our children achieve all the things we've done during this lockdown. Thank you very much. See you soon. Stay safe.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Hayden Ditter. He's been sending in work all throughout lockdown, photographs of the things that he's been getting up to, trying his best with everything and attending all of the live sessions. I'm just really proud of him. Well done Hayden, keep it up.
Before I reveal who my child of the week is, I just want to take this opportunity to say a huge well done and thank you to all of the adults at home who have been helping the pupils of 1HM continue with their learning at home. I know it's been difficult, but hopefully, fingers crossed, this is the last time, and I can't wait to see you all in school on Monday. But for now, my child of the week is Hashim. Hashim, I'm so proud with all of the work that you have done at home. Every time I open your portfolio, I just know I'm going to be wowed by all of your work. Well done, Hashim.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Corey, and we've chosen Corey because he's been working really hard with his phonics. He's really been pushing his limits and he's trying hard with his writing, so well done Corey, keep it up.
This week, I have chosen Lemia as my child of the week. Lemia, you always come into school with a big smile on your face, and when you're here, you always try your best. Mrs. Carly and I are so proud of you. Well done.
My child of the week this week goes to Kenzie. Kenzie's impressed me throughout the whole of lockdown. She's set a high standard of working through Class Dojo and Google Docs, and she's engaged in every single lesson. And she particularly impressed me yesterday with the lovely video presentation she sent with an explanation of how mountains are formed. So brilliant work. Well done, Kenzie.
Hello everybody, I hope you're all okay. This week for My Child of the Week I have chosen Amira. I have chosen you, Amira, because you are remarkable. You show all of our school values both inside the classroom and outside of the classroom. I'm really proud of how much you've pushed your limits since the start of lockdown by making sure that you've been on the live lessons, you've been completing the work to the best of your ability, and I've loved seeing all of the pictures of the work that you've completed too. So well done, Amira, keep up the amazing work, and I can't wait to see what you achieve for the rest of the year.
My child of the week this week is Troy. Troy, you've really impressed me with all your number work this week and all of the sharing you've done equally. Well done and keep it up.
My child of the week is Jack. Jack, at Forest School we've been really impressed with how independent you've been. You get your waterproofs on, you get your Wellingtons on, you put your hat and your scarf on, you don't lose anything, and because you're following all the rules in Forest School, you're really enjoying it and getting the full value of Forest School. You really enjoyed the mini beast hunt this week and naming all the insects and bugs that we found, so well done, Jack.
My child of the week this week is somebody in school. I have chosen Isabella as my child of the week, and the reason I have chosen Isabella is because she has been trying so hard every single day in school. She wants to challenge herself with everything that she does, despite the challenges that we're all facing in lockdown at the moment. She's helpful and she's also kind to everybody in the classroom. Keep up the fantastic work, Isabella. You're an absolute pleasure to have in the classroom.
I'm really pleased this week to give my child of the week to Josiah, and it's for showing high aspirations every single day since returning to school in January. Josiah, I've been particularly impressed with your maths work, and everything that you've produced since being at school has been really high quality. Okay, so keep up that work and that effort when everyone returns next week. Well done.
Everyone, my child of the week this week is Jack Lee. I spent a bit of time with Jack this week doing different things. He's not been feeling himself, but he's always put 100% into what he's doing, and I'm really pleased to see how much this young man's grown. I know he's looking forward to seeing his friends back next week, as I am, and we look forward to having everybody back, the whole Leaf Forest family together again. Take care.
Hi everybody, this week in nursery we have chosen Frankie May as our child of the week. This week Frankie, you returned to nursery and it has been so lovely to have you back. All of your friends in nursery have missed you so much. Me and Mrs Byrne have said how happy you've come in each morning with a big smile on your face and getting engaged in all of the activities in nursery. Keep up the amazing work, Frankie.
Salia Hussein in 1HM, you are my star of the week because you've been working remarkably hard every single day with your online learning, completing lessons and tasks and posting some amazing work on Class Dojo. Well done, star of the week. See you soon. Bye.
My star of the week is Archie. Archie, you've been so fantastic at doing your work while you've been in school. You've been working incredibly hard, and myself and Miss Jackson have been so impressed. You always try your best and you always ask for help whenever you are stuck. The work that you've been producing has been of a high standard and we are so proud of you. Well done.
Hello everybody, my child of the week this week is Layla. I've chosen Layla this week because I really had to think about someone who's impressed me consistently through our virtual learning, and Layla, you've done just that. You've really been remarkable, you've had high aspirations, you've pushed through every challenge we've given you. I am really impressed with you, Layla. Well done, keep up the good work, and I can't wait to see you all back in the classroom next week.
Hello everyone. My child of the week this week, it's rather difficult really because it's our last virtual one. So after much deliberation, I've decided that my home learning child of the week this week is all of Year 6 that have participated in their own online learning, contributed and worked really hard throughout this lockdown. And a big thank you to your parents who have supported you throughout this as well. So I'd just like to say a big thank you and extremely well done to all of you. I know this hasn't been easy, but come Monday, we'll be back together. So well done. And my in-school learner is all of the children that are in school. They have contributed well to lessons, and unfortunately I haven't been able to make every single one of them Child of the Week. So this is a big shout out to all of you who I haven't had chance to mention, but you've done amazingly well and I'm so proud of you. Well done for your remarkable work, and I'll see you all on Monday. Bye.
Hi everybody, so echoing what Miss Purcell has said, my child of the week is all of year 6. You have all been so incredibly phenomenal throughout this virtual learning experience, with your engagement, your commitment, turning up to all lessons, giving some remarkable pieces of work, and going above and beyond in so many cases as well. So thank you for being with us each and every day. Thank you for raising your hands and giving us great comments in the chat. Thank you for even reducing me to tears during certain lessons because I'm enjoying them and laughing so much. It's been truly a pleasure, and I cannot wait to welcome each and every one of you back on Monday. So well done, Year 6.
This week I've decided to pick 2 children. In school I have picked Isabel as my child of the week because of her independence and her attitude towards her learning. She has been absolutely remarkable. She's focused in every single lesson and pushed her limits. Well done, Isabel. At home I've decided to pick Nabil. Nabil, I have been so impressed with your attitude and your enthusiasm and your engagement in the live lessons. And I know sometimes you find learning difficult because you speak another language, but that does not stop you trying your absolute hardest. Thank you for your commitment to your learning, and please keep up the good work. I'm looking forward to seeing Year 4 next week. So take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Good morning, Year 4. My child of the week this week is Keaton. Keaton is school-based and I have been impressed with his English work. He has completed and published a fact file all about volcanoes. He remembered his title, his subtitle, his Did You Know Amazing Fact, and selected his own images to go with it. He has also taken his work to senior leaders who were also really impressed with the quality of Keaton's work. Keep it up, Keaton.
Mufasa, you know we finally here, right? Well, it's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday again, it's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday again, it's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday again, it's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday again.
I thought the hands of time would change me, and I'd be over this by now. Yeah, it's been too long since we got crazy. I'm lucky spinning out. I'm counting down till Friday come. I'm gonna do too much. No, I'm all in my bag, that's clutch. Feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. Every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, endless weekend on a wave, yeah. It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what?
Mufasa, you know we finally here, right? Well, it's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday.